Today we're going to talk about the dreaded vacuum error in freeze drying, and no matter what brand freeze dryer you have, if you've been freeze drying long enough, it will happen to you. So today I'm going to show you the first step you should take and the least expensive step you should take to remedy that vacuum error. Almost all vacuum errors are created by this guy right here. This is your drain hose valve for your freeze dryer chamber. And just like everything, these will wear out over time and not function properly. To fix this, all you need are 2 open-end wrenches, some Teflon tape or some thread sealant, a new valve. You can pick these up at freezedryingsupplies.com. Let's get started. We're gonna take this drain hose off first. You need to remove this brass fitting. You need 1 wrench on the old valve. You need 1 wrench on this brass fitting. You're gonna turn this counterclockwise. This should be relatively loose. We're gonna do the same thing for the valve. 1 end is gonna go on the brass side, 1 end will go on the valve. This is gonna be quite a bit tighter, so you might have to really wrench on this to get it to loosen up. You're then gonna take your Teflon tape or pipe dope or thread sealant and wrap this several times until you cover all of these threads, probably 2 or 3 times. Then we're gonna take our new valve, thread it on clockwise. You also might want to keep in mind your final resting place for the valve. I like to have mine on the top, obviously, because that's the easiest place to get to it. You want to get that on very snug. If your valve is bad, your other parts may also be old. While you're in there, you can go to Freeze Drying Supplies. You can get a straight down tube for your drain hose. You can also get a whole new drain hose if you like. You're going to wrap your drain hose fitting clockwise with Teflon tape. We're going to screw it in hand tight and tighten it up just a little bit with the wrenches. This does not have to be as tight as the valve does. New valve and hose fully complete. Let's test this out. You can do that very simply by pressing the leaf button on the home screen and clicking the vacuum to on.